In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to take a screencast, save and share it using Microsoft Stream. To get started, I'm going to go to my WASD dashboard, and Stream is an app. I'll click on Stream. If it's not on my dashboard, I can go into Microsoft Office 365 and find it from All Apps. Now going back to Stream, when I'm on the Stream page, I'm going to go to Create. I'm going to go to Record Screen. I get this box pop up. Right now it's telling me what my screen will look like. It'll show my whatever I'm recording on my screen and my picture. I'm going to come down here to the camera and I'm going to turn my camera off. All right, now I'm going to hit Start Recording. I want to record my entire screen. I'm going to click Share. It's going to count me down. I'm going to go ahead and hide this strip. All right. And we could screen record if you're doing a presentation for a class. You can use different presentation software like PowerPoint, where you could run your slides and talk over it. You could also do the same thing for Sway as you talk over it. You could also demonstrate concepts in math using whiteboard, right? A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Pythagorean theorem. Could discuss through that. Once you're done with your screen recording, you're going to click that and you're going to stop sharing. I'm going to go back to Microsoft Stream, and if I'm happy with the recording, I'm going to go to Upload Stream. And when I get it, I'm going to name it Screen Recording. When I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and click Publish. All right, so now when I'm back in Stream and I want to share my content, maybe I want to email my teacher, maybe I want to embed it in Schoology. I'm going to go to My Content. I'm going to go to Videos. And I'm going to go to my presentation screen recording. So I can click on that. It's still being processed. Once it's finished processing, I can come down here to Share. All right, and I can copy this link. I can email it to a teacher. I can copy that link into a Schoology assignment. Or if I want to put it into Schoology, I can come up here and I can take this embed code and it will embed the video into Schoology. I hope this video was helpful.